Ponche. Ponche is a hot fruit drink. I grew up drinking it in Mexico, and it's a combination of fresh fruits and dried fruits and cinnamon sticks, and it's comforting and it's nurturing and it's homey. I grew up drinking ponche for the holiday season and for tamaladas. But you really can drink it anytime you need some nice, warm, comforting drink. So to start off, bring water to a boil. And once it's boiling, add a cinnamon stick. And then I'm gonna add brown sugar. You can add dark brown sugar or light brown sugar. You want the water to simmer with the cinnamon and the sugar for 4 to 5 minutes. You can use a mix of fresh fruits and dried fruits of your choice. I'm going to make what my mom used to make when I was growing up in Mexico. So I'm using some pears and some apples, and for dried fruits I'm using prunes and apricots and raisins. I got all these ingredients at Kroger. For the fresh fruits, you want to peel the fruits and cut them into bite-sized chunks, because it's really fun to bite into those chunks as you're sipping that hot ponche. And as the fresh fruit starts softening, I'm gonna add my dried fruits. I'm adding apricots, prunes, and raisins, but you can add dried cherries, you can add cranberries. And now you can add 1 orange rind. And these you can add at the end, so it will give that fragrance and that aroma, but it won't make the ponche bitter. And that's it. This aroma is really going to lure people into your kitchen. Feels like home.